Hi guys, welcome to Shiva Sai's Software Training Institute. I'm Sai Chiran. All right, in this particular video, so we will focus on configuration management and infrastructure or orchestration. See, these two are basically the terminologies which are for different purposes, right? People often get confused with these particular terminologies. All right, so we should understand before you know uh, getting started with something like Terraform, tools like Terraform, right? So it's always recommended to understand what is infrastructure as a code. So we have already seen that we provision, maintain, and manage everything via code. When in the context of infrastructure and the service it manages everything as such, every other aspects in the infra, and we don't know what is exactly about configuration management and infrastructure orchestration. All right, so let's look into that. Okay, see, basically configuration management is all about maintaining a desired configuration. You have the same target for infrastructure orchestration also. All right, but the thing is, let's make a difference here. I mean, let's discuss the difference here, that configuration management actually focuses on the configurations inside the servers. So consider that my servers are already there, and we much focus on what is happening within the server, what needs to be installed, what needs to be uninstalled, what needs to be backed up, what needs to be placed, created, many things as such, right? So it is more our configuration management is more about dealing with the configurations inside the servers. All right, perfect. Now, talking about infrastructure automation, it is all about focuses on creation and management of the infrastructure environment. So it is all about infrastructure itself, all right? But configuration management is all about configurations which we need to deal with inside the servers, all right? So one is complete infrastructure, one is inside the infrastructure, what we need to do and all right? So that is the difference. So Terraform is moreover an infrastructure orchestration tool, right? It focuses on creation and management of the infrastructure environments. All right. Yes, fine, fine, guys. Yeah, thank you so much.